Hi guys, this is how to make a clicker game part 2. I just remembered that I had a score from my other projects, so this is what you need. You need a index for this part only index, and you need you need your score bit variable basically, and those are the only things you need. So we can delete the number variable and index variable. So this is what it looks like. It's a really nice one. And today I'm just going to be going over that code and going over the changes I've made. But this is what the thing looks like right now. As you can see, it's just basically working off it's Griffpatches. I watched this tutorial, but I modified it a teeny bit. So thank you, Griffpatch. Yeah. So we can just go on and on and on and on. Now, you see, I added to this that if it's so basically if it's touching the also wait, I was playing around with the thing while, so I need to delete it. I need to delete it. Okay, wait. I was playing around with the things, and I wanted some. While I was trying to start making the shot, I did this so that I can have some more effect. So if it's touching the mouse pointer, it's like just effectively not touching the mouse pointer, or the mouse is not touching, and the mouse isn't down on you, so it goes to effect to 0. And then we have this code. It's basically the same. I just added a little bit of stuff. And yeah. So that's what it looks like when you click it. It fades if the mouse pointer is on it. So yeah, that's what it should look like. And yeah, I wanted it to have like a little feeling. So now we can easily get into the shop. First of all, you need to make a variable. It doesn't need to be for this part only. And you need to do this kind of like the same code that you did with this. So you're gonna just move without the set score. You're just gonna move it into this. But this is, you can just you can follow Griffpatch's tutorial for this, and then I optimized it by. I didn't know if I should keep it at 70 or not, so I was playing around. Now I started to play around with the size, and then I tried playing around with this, so it could be like 0.25. See? So I just changed I like changing physics of things around a little bit, but yeah. I don't know if we're at 0.3 really quick. Yeah, we do that. So I just like changing the numbers a little bit, and yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to do for the number count. Now, almost all good clicker games have those things that go behind them. That's gonna be for the next tutorial. But this is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna work on the shop. So we brought this in, and we're just gonna do this. But all we have to do is do if touching mouse pointer or not touching it. Whether setting the mouse pointer or else, because that's not, this one's not as important as the top. So as you can see, that's a little bright, so let's do 25. 10, 12, yeah, that's not too bad. So maybe 15.5, 15.5. So yeah. I actually don't think the taco needs to fade it anymore, because it's pretty much all it's doing, all it needs is for it to go up and down, because the fade might make it lag. Something on my screen, this part of my screen to play. Maybe it's just working on the. Yeah, I'm gonna change my computer brightness. Okay, there. Okay. Now, we're gonna call this shop. And if touching the mouse pointer is the gift effect, but if touching the mouse pointer, then if the mouse is down, then we're gonna do if else. If shop equals to no, set shop to yes, or else set to no. Switch to this costume. For yes, we're gonna do the same thing, and we're gonna flip horizontally. There. This one will just flip like that, and we will add costume 2. And file scope its shop is equal to no, so it should be costume 1. Click it. One file for forever. If touching mouse pointer and the mouse is down, then we're gonna win until I'm not. Just let me do 4. So like that. Yeah, that. But the shop doesn't actually come forward. The shop is pretty much up to you. It's kind of up to you. But when you click this, the shop is supposed to come out. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just make a basic gray. It needs to be pretty light, because the shop should be light. And then I think we should actually fill in this part of gray, so that it matches. This part could be a little bit, yeah, that. And then it opens up this great thing. Let's make sure this has a good outline. I usually like it to be pitch black, so just like that. An outline of 3 looks okay. And then this, if you delete this, if you delete one of the points, that's what you will do. Right now, we actually are going to delete the point. Control. So we're just going to copy it, make sure it's in the same position as the other one, flip horizontally, flip vertically. Look at that. And then we're going to make, you see this one? We're going to make this one have no outline. We're going to actually make them have no outline. So we're going to want to do this. So no outline anymore. Then we need to choose one and make the gray a little bit darker. As you can see, you have a really nice shot from it. So now let's do a little bit of code. For the shot, we want the arrow to move this way, right? We want the arrow to move this way. So it's supposed to be yes. We're gonna repeat until not touching edge. So repeat until not touching edge. We will change it by 2, I guess. So change x by -2. For now, it still does it. So as you can see, it still does the white thing. So we're actually, I guess we're going to take that out. And then we're going to put this up here. Like that. So as you can see, we have this. We have the shot. Let me just see how it looks if we actually stretch out this shot. Because yeah, that looks good. So I'm going to delete this and do it like that. Make sure it's not the bottom points and top points from Badger's either. Maybe we could do -5. So like this. It's possible to cost like that. It looks pretty good. And then closing the shot, we need to repeat until it is touching the edge. So we're basically just doing the opposite. So open shot, close shot. Open shot, close shot. You actually should put this at the end. It's like this. Open shot, close. Well, it won't work because, okay. So let's just actually add a value. So like repeat an actual certain amount of time. And repeat until touching. Instead of doing the repeat until touching, we need to actually have a value. So let's try repeat 10. Nope, that's definitely not. We'll change this value to actual 10, maybe. Okay, so I found the right values 18 and then change x by 9 point. Yeah, so like that. So now you can open and close the shop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the